A few days ago I posted a video where I showed you what my wife and I do to earn $6,000 per month in passive income. And one of the things that we do is we have 3 term life insurance policies that pay us exactly $6,000 every single month like clockwork. And so this video is going to explain exactly what death insurance is and how it can help you out. And so this was just one of the ways that we earn our passive income. But not all life insurance is created equal. There are many different types. The way that it works is, let's say that you have a mortgage, right? Well, that really depends on your age, your health, your lifestyle, the amount of coverage that you're looking for. Basically, the more coverage you get, the more it costs. It's gonna be a lot more expensive to get, $1 million in coverage than it is to get to $150,000 in coverage. And of course, if you're older, or if you have health problems, or you smoke, it's gonna be more expensive as well. Your life insurance would pay out a death benefit to your beneficiaries. You can either go through an agent, or you can do it directly through an insurance company online. We went online. We went to Policy Genius, which is an independent agency. They shop around with all the different insurance companies to find you the best rates. And so we got quotes from, dozens of different insurance companies. We found the cheapest one, and we went with that. Typically, going through an agent is going to be more expensive because they charge a commission. So you want to make sure that you're comfortable with that. Also, with an agent, it might take a little bit longer to get approved because you have to fill out a bunch of paperwork, and then they have to send it off, and then they have to follow up with the insurance company. When you do it online, it's a lot faster. You can get approved in minutes, and then the policy is issued electronically. So doing it directly through the insurance company online is probably going to be cheaper. Now, in our case, we actually get paid the death benefit while we re-alive because we have it set up as an annuity. But typically, the death benefit is only paid out when you die. But in our case, again, we get it while we're alive. But the point is that in the event of your death, your beneficiaries would receive a lump sum of money so that they could pay off debts, mortgages, take care of your children, or whatever else. Again, I'm not an expert on this. We just do it because it makes sense for us and our financial situation. But hopefully, this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button. And remember, you can always unsubscribe at any time. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. So if you were to die, your family would have to pay off that mortgage. Or let's say that you have kids that are still at home, right? You want them to be able to stay at home without any financial burden. Or maybe you have an elderly parent that relies on you financially. Maybe you're their caregiver. In the event of your death, you want to make sure that they're taken care of. Life insurance can help with that. We have whole life insurance, which is basically like an investment. Then you have universal life insurance, which is also an investment. And then you have term life insurance, which is what we have. But then I got a lot of comments saying, hey, why don't you make a whole video about this? Tell us more about how it works. Okay, so first of all, what is death insurance? Well, death insurance, it's also known as life insurance. Term life insurance is the most basic form of life insurance. So for example, let's say that you were to die, right? How much does it cost? Now, there are 2 ways that you can get life insurance, and so this is what we did. If you decide to go through an agent, keep in mind that they do charge a commission. That's how they make their money. Alright, so if you'd like to learn more about death insurance, I'm gonna leave some links down below in the description.